After being in a DV relationship,
Yeah.
how do you move forward with dating and recognizing healthy signs? Do you disclose your part abuse?
Right. There's multiple steps to this. My advice, if you've been in a domestic violence situation, the first thing you have to do is rebuild you. Check out my Rise program from my website. Happy to help you with that. But you've got to get back, you've got to get your self-worth back, your self-trust, your self-respect back. You see, when you start loving you, when you're in a relationship with you, when you learn to manage, set and maintain your boundaries, then you are ready for a relationship, and trust will be of you, not of the other person. That can grow. Do you tell them about the situation? Listen, not in the early days. There is no need. As you get to know each other, date to get to know. As you trust more, the more you feel safe, supported, accomplished, and valued within that relationship, the more you expose of yourself. And if you're with the right person, what you've gone through in the past doesn't matter. You're awesome. Stay strong.